So it is mid-January 2021, and in this video I'm going to tell you how much money I made back in 2020 from my YouTube channel. At the time I'm recording this video, I have 5,812 subscribers. I do have a full-time job. I just do this part-time. As a matter of fact, it is 2:35 a.m. at the time I'm recording this video. I remember first when I started my YouTube channel a couple of years back, I always wondered how much do YouTubers make? And in particular, how much do small YouTubers make? And this is exactly why I'm making this video. By all means, this is not a big channel. As a matter of fact, by all standards, doesn't matter who you are, 5,000 subscribers is a ridiculously small YouTube channel. But it has taken me a couple of years to even get to this point. And my advice is for people who want to start a YouTube channel or they're thinking about starting one, if you think you want to do this for the money, just don't do it, because it's going to be a lot of hard work and many people will burn out and will give up. But if you actually enjoy doing what you're doing and you just want to record it and share it with other people so they can actually get something out of it, whether it's entertainment or information, then by all means, go ahead, do it. Just know that the journey in the beginning is really hard. And it's going to take a long time before you get any kind of return on your investment, which is time. As a matter of fact, this video, probably by the time I finish editing it, it's going to be maybe a 10-minute video, and including the prep, the video shoot, the editing, upload, search engine optimization, all that is going to be probably around 10 hours of my time. Let's start with how many views I had. I had 801,007 views back in 2020. And I do have a shout out for people from the following countries who actually watched my videos: US, UK, Canada, India, Germany, Philippines, Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, Mexico, Netherlands, Indonesia, France, Italy, UAE, Thailand, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Sweden, South Africa, Poland, Romania, Ireland, Bangladesh, Hong Kong, Belgium, Turkey, Portugal, Taiwan, Pakistan, South Korea, Austria, Israel, Denmark, Russia, Switzerland, Greek, New Zealand, Puerto Rico, Egypt, Vietnam, Norway, Czech Republic, Hungary, Finland, Colombia, Ukraine, and Kuwait. And I cannot thank every single one of you guys who have watched my videos from those 801,007 views. And by the way, before we get too deep into the video, my name is Sean. I run this tech channel where I do reviews, unboxing, and tutorials. So if you like content like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification. And don't forget to change the bell notification to all. That way you won't miss any of my future videos coming up. Now we're going to be talking about a lot of numbers. I'm going to tell you how much money I made, how much subscribers I have gained, what are some of the things impacted my channel, and hopefully every single person will get something out of this video. But first, this is a yearly recap. Let's make this a little bit more official. Here we go. So first, let's dive right into the analytics, and I'm going to tell you a lot about what happened last year, but I'm not going to leave you hanging. First, let me tell you how much money I made from YouTube back in 2020. So I have different sources of income from my YouTube channel or my brand, EnforcerMan. And the two main sources I have are the AdSense revenue from YouTube, and those are the ads that will pop up in the beginning, middle, or sometimes at the end of each video. And the other source of revenue is my Amazon affiliate links, and they each kind of like complement one another. I did not get any sponsored deal. I did have some client work, but I will tell you a little bit more about those. So going into the analytics. So let's dive right into 2020. So in 2020, from just ad revenue playing on my YouTube channels, I made $4,351. Now you guys can see in this graph right here, a bulk of it was in the last quarter of the year. And the same graph we're gonna find when I look at my Amazon affiliate links. In the last 3 months of the year, thing definitely took a different turn for positive and starts to rapidly change. For instance, last year I gained 3,813 subscribers. And looking at the last 3 months of the year, in October, November, and December, I gained 2,089. So over half of my subscriber gain was in the last 3 months of the year. When I look at my views that I gained last year, so like I said, I had 801,000 views. And the last quarter of 2020, I had 442,000 views. So again, over half of my views, over half of my subscribers were in the last 3 months of the year. So what happened? Well, several things. As you create content, your previous videos will continue to get views. As a matter of fact, I have some videos this year that just starting to picking up and getting me some views where I made in January 2021 or in end of 2019 about some networking and routers and things like that. And as you make more content, so your new video is going to continue to get views, and then your old videos are also gonna get views. So you have that going on. Number two, we all know we had the pandemic this year. So more and more people will continue to spend time on their devices and consume content online. So that definitely helped. And then I continue to get feedback from you guys as far as my lighting, as far as my audio, as far as putting a timeline in my description, even how I should speak. I got a lot of feedback that I should talk a little bit faster because when I talk too slow, the videos could be a little bit boring. So I listen to every single one of the comments you guys will get. Obviously, I'm not going to try to please one person, but if I see a common theme, then I will try to make adjustments so actually people will enjoy my videos, hopefully a little bit more than before. And then when iPhone 12 came out, end of 2020, I definitely took advantage of that. I produced a lot of videos revolving around iPhone, whether iPhone cases for different sizes or doing some camera tests, and all that definitely gave me a really nice boost in the views that I was getting. That is a very popular topic online, even though a lot of people will make content around these popular topics such as an iPhone release. But that doesn't mean people are not going to watch your content. For example, for the longest time, I thought, hey, if someone like MKBHD or Unbox Therapy, they're making these amazing content and reviews, who would come watch my video? Well, apparently people do, and apparently people will still appreciate. Now, obviously, I'm not going to get millions of views like they do, but somebody out there likes what I do. Different people want one, maybe sometimes different perspective from different reviewers, so that way they can make their own informed decision when they're trying to purchase an accessory or the phone itself. So looking at how much money I was making on average daily. So if you look at this graph right here, so early in 2020, I was making $2, $3, or $4 per day. That shifted, I was making an average of $5 to $7 per day. And then the average continued to creep up and then got to about $8 or $9 or $10. And then obviously I had that huge spike when iPhone came out and I was able to take advantage of it. And the peak of it, I think was, let's see, November 30th. In one day, I made $78 from ad revenue. And what's nice about some of these contents I make is you invest your time once. If you make an evergreen content, which means it is searchable at any time. So if somebody wants to know how much a small YouTuber can make, which is going to be this video, then this video could be useful even a year from now, 6 months from now, or even 2 years from now. So the most viewed video was an accessory for iPhone 12. And at the time I reviewed that video, when iPhone 12 came out with these, MagSafe charger, there were not a whole lot of accessories for it. So the very first one that hit the market that I was sent to review it, when I put the content out, people are searching for it and there isn't really anything out there. This is before Belkin was out or some of the other, big brands. And that video has, at the time, I posted this on November 18 and it has 75,000 views. And the rest of them, when you go down, again, it's an iPhone case review. It's a networking video, iPhone, tech gifts under $100. Those are pretty popular. Again, iPhone camera test. Now, be honest with you, one thing I took advantage of was many people were making videos of the products themselves, but not many were making videos about the accessories that goes with it. And case, this is typically one of the first things you'll buy for your phone. And the other thing that I thought it was interesting to share with you guys, which videos gained the most subscribers for me. Tech gift ideas under $100, that got me 526 subscribers. And then best iPhone SE clear cases, 424. slow Wi-Fi solutions, 354. I read the list of the countries that watch my videos. Fun fact, even though I'm in the US, less than 50% of people in the US are my viewers. This is the age distribution. So most of my viewers are between 25 and 34 years old. 85% are male and 15% are female. So now that you know about my AdSense revenue, which like I said, about $4,300, now we're gonna jump in and take a look at my Amazon affiliated income. There it is. So Amazon in 2020, I made $4,594.41. So very, very similar to what I made from my YouTube AdSense or Google AdSense. If you look at the chart of how much money I made every month, you can see that that big spike in October, November, and December as well. Now, here are some fun facts for you guys to take a look. Let me know what you think. The link that I put in the description of the products I use, the products I review, 127,000 people clicked on those links. Out of those, people ordered 5,674 items. And from that, I made $4,562. Now, depending on the category that that product it's in, the commission could be as low as 1% or sometimes less. So what's interesting about Amazon affiliated links is if somebody clicks on one of my links in the description and goes to Amazon to check out that product, in the next 24 hours, if they buy anything, not only that product, if they buy anything from Amazon in 24 hours, Amazon will pay me the commission because they say that I have brought that person at that moment to that platform. I did have one client work that I did a video commercial for an Amazon product. You know how when you have the images and then the last page, you have a short video of the product. So that was about $1,000 that I charged for that. So I'm going to do the math somewhere on the screen. It's around $10,000 I made last year. Now, I will tell you that is gross income. That is not my net profit. The equipments I'm using are not cheap. Now, when I look at the past 90 days, even though I made almost $2,000 per month in November and December alone between my ad revenue as well as Amazon affiliate links, that doesn't mean moving forward I'm gonna continue to make $2,000 per month. We had the holidays, a lot of people were shopping for different products online, and I think that definitely gave me a nice boost. Now, to try to put things into perspective, right now, like I said, it is mid January, and if I look at my past 7 days ad revenue income, it has dipped down to $182. So if you are thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, if it is your passion, if you are really excited about a product or about a niche or about a topic, definitely go for it. Your videos don't have to be perfect. Your audio doesn't have to be perfect. Your lighting doesn't have to be perfect. All you need is a phone. Phones do great right now. And just go ahead, start. If I look back at some of my earlier videos, they were embarrassing. I know deep down, I know even probably some of my friends were making fun of me, but that's okay. That's how you learn. You got to have a thick skin and just take the feedback. People who love you, they will be honest with you and let you know what you need to do to improve. And I'm grateful to have people like that around me that help me continue to improve my videos to get to where I'm at right now. I know this was a long video. If you're still hanging in there with me, thank you so much for watching this video and going through the ads I dropped in the middle of the video. Look, that's how I get paid for the time I have put in. If you have any comment for me, if there is anything I could do to improve my content, if you have any recommendations, if you got any questions about starting a YouTube channel, drop a comment down below. I am thinking about making some videos so I can teach others how to start their YouTube channel and their journey, because I know how critical the first few months are. I know I was always on YouTube trying to dig up more information and classes and courses that I can learn all the ins and outs of what I need to do to improve my video content, whether it's some basic logistics, how to upload, how to make a YouTube banner, all the way up to how to improve my audio quality, how to do my search engine optimization and things like that. So if you're interested, drop a comment down below, and I know that if anyone's looking for that content, then I can work on it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. But first, this is a yearly recap. Let's make this a little bit more official. Here we go. But first, this is a yearly recap. Let's make this a little bit more official. Here we go.